everybody, this is Gareth from the Edance Learning Lab. You've all been publishing and writing and getting your work into journals, but how can you make sure that as many people as possible are going to cite your papers? We've got some tips for article citation to boost those citations to make sure that your papers get the most citations possible. Just a few tips for you to have a think about, for you to follow potentially with your next submission. Tip number 1, choose your keywords carefully. Make sure you get those keywords into the title, into the abstract, and then use different keywords when you have to put keywords together in that keyword section. Tip number 2, use the same name on all your papers. Get yourself an ORCID ID. Don't use different variants of your name on different papers. Gareth Dyke, GJ Dyke, G Dyke. Use the same name so people will find your work and people will cite your work. Tip number 3, disseminate, promote, talk about your work on social media. Tip number 4, cite your own papers within reason. In review papers, potentially it's a good idea to cite your own work, not go overboard. No editors want to see papers with just your own citations, but use your own work. Publish in journals people have heard of. That's tip number 5. Tip number 6, maybe it's a good idea to publish in open access journals where more people will be able to access and read your work. Tip number 7, why not consider writing a review paper? That way you can summarize the literature, you can summarize your own previous work. That shows that you're an expert in a particular subject area. Tip number 8, what about special issues? Reach out to colleagues, find out if there are upcoming special issues in your subject area, will be published in particular journals, and try to get an article into one of those. Tip number 9, collaborate. Of course, the more you collaborate, the more people you work with, the larger the networks will be for people to find out about your research. Tip number 10, higher impact factor journals garner more citations. Tip number 11, ensure a comprehensive reference list. And going full circle, tip number 12, make sure you put time into your title. Shorter titles, less than 10 words, tend to garner more citations than long, complicated titles that people struggle to read and understand. Thanks for listening. You can follow us here for more tips and tricks and ideas and insights for effective English writing and communication.